Hi everyone. Ever wanted to video chat with someone on Facebook Messenger but weren't sure how? It's totally normal to feel that way if you're not familiar with the app's layout. Well, no worries. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get started with video chatting on Messenger. So without any delay, let's get started. First, launch the Messenger app on your phone. Next, tap on the conversation with the person you want to video chat with. Once the conversation is open, look for and tap the video camera icon located at the top right of the screen. The person you're calling will receive a notification of your video call. They'll need to accept the call to start the video chat. During the call, you can flip your camera by tapping the camera icon if needed. You can also mute your microphone or turn off your camera using the respective buttons on the screen if you want to. To end the call, simply tap the red End Call button. And that's all there is to it. Video chatting on Facebook Messenger is super simple once you know where to tap. If you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.